Hello friends, in this side-by-side video, we are going to learn how we can cartoonize an image of yourself for free. So the core idea is we're here, we upload an image, and then we get a cartoonized version of our image. The question is, how can you do it? So the app we are going to use is called ChatGPT. So it's very simple. You go to your iPhone and you click on ChatGPT. Let me start the app again so we can follow the whole flow one by one. So we launch the ChatGPT, the app starts and it gives you a chat interface, but we want to create a cartoonized version of ourselves. So we'll click on this menu icon and then I think you need to click on Explore GPTs. And important point over here is I think exploring GPTs may be available in the paid version. I'm not sure, but then you will have to search here for a thing called Cartoonize Yourself. Just type CAR, and I think it will give you that thing called Cartoonize Yourself. So Cartoonize, and let's see, Cartoon. And okay, here it is. So Cartoonize Yourself. So just go through the Cartoonize Yourself app, and then it is saying that, hey, go ahead and upload a picture of yourself. Click on this picture icon and then select a picture, click on add, and eventually it will give you a cartoonized version of yourself. So it will give a different cartoonized image. Essentially, it's taking the numbers behind your pictures and then converting it into some other numbers. So that's what's happening behind the scene. But as you can see, it is pretty cool. And here is the cartoonized version of the Tom Cruise. So that's the core idea. All right, friends. So let me again walk you through the workflow. You go inside your ChatGPT app. You click on this menu icon, click on Explore GPTs. We are going to select what is called as a Cartoonize Yourself, and then you essentially use that to create a cartoon version of yourself. You can take a picture or you can use whatever pictures you have. Okay, friends, have fun. Hope you learned something interesting. This is a quick how-to guide on the mobile workflow for ChatGPT, and I just showed some AI features. Thank you and have a good day.